The following question reads, a shopping center has exactly 7 spaces, space 1 through space 7, arranged in a straight row. 7 businesses, an optometrist, a pharmacy, 2 restaurants, a shoe store, a toy store, and a veterinarian will be located in the shopping center, 1 in each space. The locations of the businesses are subject to the following constraints. Alright, so we have the following businesses, O, P, R, R, S, T, V. Note that we write down R twice because we have 2 restaurants. And so we're going to place them in a straight row 1 through 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now let's go to the rules. Rule number 1. The pharmacy must be at one end of the row and one of the restaurants at the other end. Alright, so that means that R is going to be first or 7th, and P is going to be first or 7th. So we can write that out, R or P, P or R. Rule number 2, the 2 restaurants must be separated by at least 2 other businesses. Okay, so that means we have one of the restaurants and then at least 2 businesses and then another one of the restaurants. So I just want to point out this is different from writing out a block like this, because this means that there are exactly 2 spots in between the 2 restaurants. Whereas this way we have our arrows depicting the fact that there could be more, but there doesn't have to be. So then rule number 3, the pharmacy must be next to either the optometrist or the veterinarian. So we know we have the pharmacy is next to either the optometrist or the veterinarian, and they're going to be immediately next to each other. We just don't know where they are in relation to each other, so we're going to place this arrow to show that P could be to the left of O or V or V could be to the left of P. And then our last rule, rule number 4, the toy store cannot be next to the veterinarian. So we know that we cannot have T next to V or V next to T. All right, so those are our rules, our setup, and our deductions. Let's go ahead and hit the questions.